In today's video, I'll teach you how to open Wyoming LLC attorney account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in this link wyomingllcattorney.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Wyoming LLC Attorney. So if you want to open the account for yourself, it is actually very simple. For that, click on this option, Start Your Business, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to open the account for yourself. First of all, select the formation state. Wyoming is selected right now. If you want to edit it, simply click on this icon and you'll be able to edit it. Now what you have to do is scroll down and select the entity type. You'll be able to find various options over here. Click on the option LLC that you can see on the screen, or you can also click on the option Close LLC if you want. Now right over here, what you have to do is enter your company name. Simply click on the field of primary name. Now enter the company name over here. Make sure the company name is available right now. If you have the backup name, what you have to do is simply enter the backup name over here. Now once you do that, also select the backup business ending. Now once you do that, scroll down. Now over here, you'll be able to see the formation tires. You'll be able to see various options along with the features over here. So simply click on the option of your choice. Likewise, what you have to do is simply select the ongoing compliance. Click on the option of your choice. After you do that, scroll down. Now enter your contact details over here. Click on the field of first name and enter the first name. Likewise, enter your last name. Now what you have to do is enter the email address over here. Now once you do that, also enter your phone number. Make sure to select the country code. After you do that, enter the phone number over here. Now you'll have to enter the contact address. Click on the field of street address. Now start typing your address over here. Once you do that, also enter the unit or apartment, city, country, state or province and zip code over here. Now scroll down. Now what you have to do is simply select the country ownership. You can add the people as owners if you want, or you can also add a company as an owner. If you want to do it, simply click on the options of your choice and go ahead and add the owners. Now scroll down. Now you can complete your business setup if you want. If you want to enhance your business with additional services, simply click on this plus icon. Now after you do that, simply go ahead and set up your business. Now after you fill in all these details over here, you'll be able to see the summary. You'll be able to see the amount that you have to pay. If you have the partner code, you can enter the partner code over here. Now after you're done, click on this option Pay Now that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll have to verify your identity. Make sure the email address that you entered is correct. Then click on the Continue option that you can see on the screen. Now a verification code will be sent to your email. So go to New tab, click on the search bar and type in gmail.com. Press enter. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now you can see over here Gmail has been opened. Wyoming has sent me the email. Simply click on it. Now in this email, you'll be able to see the temporary PIN. Make sure to memorize this PIN. Go back to the Wyoming tab and enter the 4-digit PIN over here. After you do that, click on this option Verify PIN that you can see on the screen. Now after you verify your email address, you can see over here you'll be able to proceed to payment. Over here, what you have to do is select the payment method. You'll be able to see the payment methods over here. So what you have to do is simply click on the payment method of your choice. If you click on this option card, what you have to do is simply provide the card information over here. Simply enter your card number, expiration date and CVC code over here. Likewise, also enter the cardholder name. Now also select the country or region over here. Now once you do that, also enter your zip code. Now after you're done, what you have to do is simply scroll down. You can also provide the phone number if you want. Now after you do that, click on this option Subscribe that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, your account will be created, but there are additional steps that you need to follow in order to use your account. What you have to do is simply get the business identity, get a tax ID that is EIN and optional items. Also create an operating agreement. After you do that, proceed to the final step, that is post formation. What you have to do is simply follow through all the prompts and your account will be opened. So that is how you open Wyoming LLC attorney account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.